Welcome to my channel. If you're switching from Google Chrome to Opera Air, you might be wondering how to bring your bookmarks, history, and passwords with you. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to import your data easily. Open Opera Air, click the menu in the top left corner, then go to Settings. Scroll down to Synchronization and click Import Bookmarks and Settings. A drop-down menu appears with Google Chrome selected. Choose Google Chrome from the list. Select the data you want to import, such as bookmarks, history, and passwords. Then click Import. A confirmation message appears. Once the process is complete, your Chrome data will be available in Opera Air. And that's it. Now you have all your important data transferred to Opera Air. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.